Hi guys, I'm back with another video and I finally got slime again. Yes, I was talking fast because it's gonna turn off. Okay, I finally got slime again with my sister. She had the same thing.
Hi guys!
We got it from Walmart and let's get to open it. Hurry up, open it. Cause I don't want my phone to go off. Okay, it says neon on it.
It says neon and super stretchy, super pokey.
You don't know how you know. Huh?
I don't know because it just says that.
I know.
But it didn't say super pokey.
But it says super stretchy though.
Well, I didn't know that it's supposed to have this like plastic wrap.
Yeah, I'm trying to hurry up. It's off. Get on my phone.
Come on, come on, come on. Take off, take off.
Whoa. Come on.
How to take this plastic wrap off? You can ask me. I don't know how.
Yeah. Whoa.
I just poked it.
Whoa. Oh, that's why I have the poking thing on it. Hold on, don't poke it yet. How do you poke that?
I just used
poke
my
it.
thumb.
Oh, okay.
This is a little bit sticky. Like when you get it off the top. Come on,
Ooh. Bubbles.
Yeah. Okay. That one flying. Oh, you guys can't see it.
Take this dumb paper off.
I hate when they're
okay, guys, this is how it looks.
I have this super stretchy.
It's very pokey though. I love it.
Green neon.
Our mom don't let her get slime, but now she finally let her get slime, and it's so cool.
Ew!
Finally.
It smells.
See,
it smells like that pink.
It's very
stretchy
though.
Flarp, I meant. Smell it.
It's very stretchy. Oh, it does. Don't. That. It stank. Let me smell your. Let me feel yours.
Let me feel how yours is. Let me feel your texture. Ooh, it's pretty nice. It's real nice.
Who was her stuff? I can see my camera.
So nice.
Okay, guys, we'll see y'all next time. We were just trying to show y'all a slime review. This is the last time we're going to be getting slime. Thinking our lives. Our slime. When I get older, I might play with slime.
And slime is not even going to be a trend.
Yeah, it's not. Like, it's just going to be, people just going to play it secretly. Not secretly, but like if they're home, they just not even play with it because it's stressful living. So, yeah. And I'll see y'all another time, so
sorry
bye.
If this was a super short video.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. We were just trying to show y'all our slime. Hold on, one more time.
We switched slimes. Not for long.
Yeah, definitely. I like that blue one. Okay, bye guys.
This has a lot of air bubbles.